everyone! My name is Mariele Morente, and I'm a 17-year-old grade 12 CHS student from Southwestern Institute of Business and Technology Incorporated. I'm super excited to share this tutorial with you today. We're going to dive into the 4 basic formulas for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing cells in Microsoft Excel. It's a super useful skill, and I'm confident you'll be able to master it in no time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know. And if you get stuck, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Now let's open up Excel and get started. To start with, let me show you how to add in Excel. The most basic way of adding cells is to simply do this manually. So I have 2 cells containing a similar number, 15 plus 15, which I want to add together. In a new cell, I can enter equals. Then I'll click on my first cell. Then I will insert the plus symbol. Then I will click on the second cell. Finally, I'll press the Enter key to perform the calculation. Obviously, the sum of these is 30. The great thing about Excel is that it includes a function that can do this for you. Let me show you how. In a new cell, I will enter equals, sum, open bracket. Then I'll highlight the cell I'm interested in adding together. Then I'll close the bracket and then press the Enter key. Again, the answer is the same as before. The sum function is particularly handy when you want to sum a lot of value in your spreadsheet. So that's how you can add cells. What about subtracting cell? Here I have 2 cells containing the values 20 and 12. I want to subtract 12 from 20. To do this in a new cell, I will enter equals. Then I will click in the cell containing 20, then minus symbol. Then I'll select the cell containing the 12 and then press the Enter key. As expected, the answer is 8. Let me now move on to multiplying cells in Excel. To this example, I'm starting off with 2 cells containing the values 9 and 15. If I want to manually multiply these cells in a new cell, I will enter equals. It'll select the first cell. Then it'll select the asterisk symbol. Then it'll select the second cell. Then press the Enter key. The answer is 135. Since 9 multiplied by 15 is 135. Another good thing is that there's also a function in Excel that will make this easy to multiply a range of cells. This function is known as product. To do this in a new cell, I want to equal product, open bracket, then I'll highlight the cells I'm interested in multiplying. Then close the bracket and then press the Enter key. Again, I get the value 135. And finally, let me show you how to divide 2 cells in Excel. For this example, I want to divide 75 by 25. To do this, in an empty cell, I'll enter equals. Then I'll select my first cell. Then I'll select a /. Then I'll select my second cell. Then I'll press the Enter key. Obviously, the answer is 3. So to wrap up, if you want to add cells together, use the plus symbol. If you want to subtract cells, then use the minus symbol. If you want to multiply, use the asterisk symbol. If you want to divide cells, use the / symbol. And remember, there's also a sum function if you want to add at once, and also the product function if you want to multiply a lot of cells together at once.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.